Hello, dear students. Myself Thakre Yenar from Ilvin Junior College, Nimgaon, Taluka, Malegaon. Students, this is my third video. In second video, we studied the properties of elements of group 13, 14 and 15. In this video, we are going to study allotropes of phosphorus, white phosphorus and red phosphorus, molecular structure of compound 13, 14 and 15, BCl3, AlCl3, S3BO3, B2S6, SiO2. Chemistry of some notable compound group 13, 14 and 15, borax, silicones and ammonia. Students, you know that allotropes of phosphorus. There are three types of allotropes of phosphorus, that is white, red and black. But in standard 11 we are studying only two types, that is white phosphorus and red phosphorus. White yellow phosphorus. White yellow phosphorus of discrete tetrahedral P4 molecules. The bond angle is 60 degree. It is less stable and more reactive because of angular strain in P4 molecule. It is translucent while waxy solid which grows in dark. It is insoluble in water but dissolved in boiling NaOH solution. It is poisonous, which shown in structure. Second, red phosphorus. Red phosphorus consists of chain of P4 tetrahedral linked together by covalent bonds. Thus, it is polymeric. It has iron grey luster but does not grow in dark. It is odorless. It is stable and less reactive. It is insoluble in water. It is non-poisonous. It is also shown in structure. Molecular structure of some important compound of group 13, 14 and 15. Covalent molecule have definite shape. It explained with the help of bond length and bond angle. Inorganic molecule represent by molecular formulae indicate their elemental composition. At first, that is boron trichloride having formula BCl3. Bond angle is 120 degree. Boron trichloride is covalent. Boron atom undergoes sp2 hybridization with one vacant unhybridization p orbital. Boron in BCl3 has incomplete octet. BCl3 molecule is non-polar trigonal planar molecules which is shown in structure. Second, aluminum chloride having formula AlCl3. Aluminum atom in AlCl3 is sp2 hybridized with one vacant unhybrid p orbital. AlCl3 exists as a dimer Al2Cl6. Al2Cl6 is formed by overlap of vacant 3d orbital of aluminum with lone pair of electron of Cl. AlCl3 is an incomplete octet molecule as shown in structure. Third, orthoboric acid. Boric acid having formula S3BO3. Orthoboric acid has central boron atom bound 3 OH groups. The solid orthoboric acid has layer crystal structure. The geometry of molecule is trigonal planar with BOH3. Units are joined together by hydrogen bonds, which is also shown in structure. Diboron B2S6. Boron has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. In diboron, boron atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Two of sp3 orbitals of each boron atom overlap axially with 1s orbital of two terminal hydrogen atoms, forming four terminal BH normal covalent sigma bonds. They are called two center, two electron bond. Student, in this structure, we will find out the bond angle between hydrogen boron and hydrogen 97 degree. While here outside the hydrogen boron hydrogen bond angle is become 120 degree. The bond length between boron and hydrogen is become 134 degree picometer. Bond and hydrogen bond length 190 picometer. Next, silicon dioxide having formula SiO2. Silicon dioxide SiO2 is commonly named as silica. SiO2 is a three-dimensional network solid. Each silicon atom is covalently bonded with 4 oxygen atoms tetrahedrally, and each oxygen atom is covalently bonded to another silicon atom. Each corner is shared with another tetrahedron. The entire structure is considered as a giant molecule in which 8 member rings are formed with alternate Si and O atoms as shown in structure. Next, nitric acid HNO3. Nitric acid is strong oxidizing mineral acid. The center nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized. HNO3 exhibit resonance phenomenon. Students, in this structure, look out, there are resonative structure. Last one, beroside. It is the hybrid resonance hybrid where the bond length 96 picometer, while the oxygen and nitrogen bond length 140.6 picometer. The bond angle between oxygen is 130 degree. Next, orthophosphoric acid, that is phosphoric acid having formula S3PO4. Orthophosphoric acid is an oxyacid, non-toxic mineral acid. It has 3 ionizable acidic hydrogen atoms. The center phosphorus atom is tetrahedral, which shown in structure. Students, we have studied next point, that is chemistry of some notable compounds of element of group 13, 14 and 15. At first, borax having formula Na2B4O7. At first, it is one of the most important boron compound. The crystalline borax has formula Na2B4O7 into 10H2O. The compound obtained is borax. Borax is prepared from its mineral by boiling it with solution of sodium carbonate Ca2B6O11, that is calamanite, plus 2Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate. By after heating, then obtain Na2B4O7, that is borax, plus 2NaBO2, that is sodium metaborate, plus CaCO3, calcium carbonate. On crystallization, it forms Na2B4O7 into 10H2O. It is white solid. Properties of boron. At first, borax has hydrolysis from a strong base NaOH and weak acid, also boric acid S3BO3. Due to strong base NaOH, borax solution is alkaline. Na2B4O7, that is borax, plus 7H2O. It gives 2NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, plus 4H3BO3, that is orthoboric acid. When borax Na2B4O7 into 10H2O is heated, it loses water molecules and form a solar propimass. Na2B4O7 into 10H2O. After some heating, it gives Na2B4O7, that is anhydrous borax, plus 10H2O. On further heating, the solar mass turns into transparent liquid which solidifies into glass-like material known as borax bead. Na2B4O7, it gives 2NaBO2, sodium metaborate, plus B2O3, boric anhydride, that is diboron trioxide. When borax is heated with ethyl alcohol and concentrated H2SO4, volatile vapors of triethyl borate are formed, which burn with green flame. This flame test is used to detect borate radical BO3 -3 is the quantitative analysis. Na2B4O7 plus concentration H2SO4 plus 5H2O, it gives sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus 4H3BO3, that is boric acid. Then boric acid H3BO3 plus 3C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, it gives BOC2H5 3 times plus 3H2O, that is triethyl borate. Uses of borax. First, in the manufacture of optical and hard borosilicate glass, side by side, as a flux of soldering and welding. Third, as a mild antiseptic in the preparation of medical soaps. In qualitative analysis for borax bead test, as a brighter in washing powder. Second, silicones. Silicones represent organosilicon polymers where in R2SiO as a repeating units are held together by SiO-Si linkage. They have empirical formula R2SiO, R double bond CH3 or C6H5 group is similar to that of ketone R2CO, and hence the name is silicones. Preparation of silicones. The starting material for manufacture of silicones are alkyl or aryl substituted silicon chloride RnSiCl4 minus N, where R is alkyl or aryl group. When methyl chloride reacts with silicon in the presence of copper catalyst at temperature 573 Kelvin, then which on again CH3 2 times SiCl2 treated with H2O and removal of HCl, it gives HO, Si, CH3, CH3OH. Number of repeated units there is after polymerization, there is formation of repeating units. Then hydrolysis of dimethyl dichlorosilane followed by condensation polymerization yield straight chain silicones polymers. The chain length of polymer can be controlled by adding CH3 3 times SiCl at the end, which shown in structure. Properties of silicones. First, silicones are water repellent. Second, they have high thermal stability. Third, they are good electrical insulators. Fourth, they are resistant to oxidation and chemicals. Uses of silicones. Silicones are used as insulating material for electrical appliances. They are used to prepare waterproof fabrics. They are used as sealant and high temperature lubricants. They are used for mixing in paints and enamels to make them resistant to high temperature sunlight. That is last point, ammonia, having formula NH3. Preparation of ammonia. Ammonia is obtained by the decomposition of nitrogenous organic matter like urea present in soil. We represented reaction NH2CO NH2, that is urea, plus 2H2O. It gives NH4 2 times CO3, that is ammonium carbonate. It is irreversible reaction 2NH3, that is ammonia, plus byproduct H2O and CO2. In the laboratory, ammonia is prepared by heating ammonium salt with CaOH2 slag lime or NaOH caustic soda. 2NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride, formation with calcium hydroxide CaOH2. It gives 2NH3, that is ammonia, plus byproduct CaCl2 calcium chloride plus 2H2O water. Then the next reaction is ammonium sulfate NH4 2 times SO4 plus 2 NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. It gives 2NH3, that is ammonia, plus sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. On the large scale, ammonia is prepared by direct combination of dinitrogen and dihydrogen, which is called Haber's process. Student, you know that Haber's process? This is an exothermic reaction. It releases energy so that the sum of enthalpies of nitrogen and hydrogen, the reactants, is greater than enthalpy of NH3. N2, that is gas, plus 3H2 gas. It gives 2NH3, which is also gas. There is heating is equal to minus 92 kilojoule more inverse. This is a reversible reaction. Physical properties of ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas with pungent odor. It has freezing point 98.4 and boiling point 239.7 Kelvin. It is highly soluble in water. The concentration aqueous solution of NH is called liquor ammonia. Chemical properties of ammonia. Basic nature of ammonia is due to the formation of OH ions. Ammonia NH3 plus H2O. It gives NH4 ammonium plus OH minus. It is also irreversible reaction. Ammonia reacts with acid to form salt. First NH3 plus HCl. It gives ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl. Second 2NH3 plus H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. It gives NH4 2 times SO4, that is ammonium sulfate. Aqueous solution of ammonia precipitate hydroxide of metal from the salt solution. We represented some reaction at first. ZnSO4, that is zinc sulfate, plus 2NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide. It gives ZnOH2, that is zinc hydroxide, plus NH4 2 times SO4, that is ammonium sulfate. Second reaction, ApCl3, that is ferric chloride, plus 3NH4OH ammonium hydroxide. It gives ApOH 3 times, that is iron hydroxide, plus byproduct 3NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. Complex formation. The lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom of ammonia helps formation of complex compound with transition metal ions. Cu2 plus 4NH3, it gives CuNH3 4 times in bracket 2 plus, that is tetraamine copper. Second reaction, AgCl, that is silver chloride, plus 2NH3 ammonia. It gives AgNH3 2 times Cl, that is diamine silver chloride. Next, uses of ammonia. Manufacture of fertilizers such as urea, diammonium phosphate, ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate. Second, manufacture of some inorganic compound like nitric acid. Third, refrigerant, that is liquor ammonia. Fourth, laboratory reagent in qualitative and quantitative analysis, aqueous solution of ammonia. Thank you.